Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the app environment. Close Roblox and restart your phone to eliminate stray inputs. Once done, open Roblox and tap the menu icon to reach settings. This is crucial because many auto-jump issues stem from configuration. Make sure to find accessibility and touch controls now. These are where jump behaviors live. You want to act immediately, because changing these values inside a match can be inconsistent. This step ensures you won't be fighting lag or stale controls as you proceed. You now disable the auto jump feature. In accessibility, set auto jump to off and confirm the toggle stays disabled. Once done, adjust tap to jump or swipe to jump settings so your input method matches. This prevents accidental jumps from taps or gestures. Make sure to test in a private server or tutorial immediately. This verifies the change under real conditions. If the game has its own control menu, open it and repeat the disable step there, because game overrides often cause persistent auto-jump. Finish by calibrating and troubleshooting. You should reduce touch sensitivity or enable dead zones when available. This prevents tiny contact from registering as taps. Once done, clear the app cache or reinstall Roblox if the problem persists, and test with another phone or external controller to isolate hardware issues. Make sure to inspect your screen protector and digitizer. Physical damage can cause phantom touches that look like auto-jump. If none of this works, factory reset is a last resort, but try software fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.